years old, from Quezon City. So 4 years ago, I was diagnosed diabetic. I had elevated cholesterol levels, and also I had fatty liver disease because I had morbidly obese, weighing over 310 pounds. So I was fighting for my health. Once I realized that, pag nagkasakit ka parang yun na yun Parang it's a death sentence for me. So I fought for it. So I focused on eating single ingredient foods, consistent exercise, and developed habits that became system over the years. Those habits made me consistent every single day, especially when I don't have the motivation. As a nutritionist and dietitian, my goal is to help people, to let people understand that eating healthy is not expensive and it's also not complicated. With the right knowledge, we could build systems that could last a lifetime. So, I strongly believe that wellness is not a trend. It should be your daily lifestyle. So please come join me and walk this journey with me. One day, one step, 1 meal at a time. And this is my Superbod.
I see him every single day at the gym, and he works hard. Let me tell you that. Trust me, I'm there, and I think I work hard, and if he's there, he works a lot harder. So, from Raymond to Sir Ray, here's your question.
Raymond, nice name. Maybe describe what was that day one small change that you could share with someone who's in your shoes 5 years ago?
4 years ago?
4 years ago.
Well, basically guys, I'm just a simple man. I just showed up every day. No? Kasi, nobody can help you. You have to help yourself. So, just focus on it. Just showing up for everything for yourself. Then everything will follow. I was just fortunate enough that God gave me another chance. Be here, standing in front of you and sharing my journey. So, I'm just really thankful for this day.
Male number 32.